The all-new Acer 160 from Aprilia, a scooter you will not regret. Awesome designing, superb styling, awesome body color. This is the carbon edition. You won't feel that you are riding a scooter, you are riding a 160cc machine, and you will feel that you are riding a bike. This is the BS6 model with the ABS, the first scooter in India to have the ABS. With this you can go for off-road, you can ride to any terrain, superb cornering, on-road, everything. So let's start with the review.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Shivalik. Today I am here with my new scooter Aprilia Acer 160. In this vlog I'll mention why I bought this scooter, what are the specifications and what are the advantages of this scooter over other scooters, and how it rides in the city and in the highways and in the off-roads, everything. Edition of the Aprilia Acer 150. It was BS4, now in the BS6 it has come to with a little bigger displacement. Produces a power of 10.84 bhp at 7000 rpm and 11.5 Nm of torque. So you can come to the wheels, it's very nice, it's nicely curved, 14-inch wheels, 30mm telescopic forks for the front, and monoshock rear suspension. And for the braking, which is the most important thing, in though it's single channel, but it has the ABS with a 220mm disc for the front, and for the rear it's a drum.
As soon as you get on with it and pull the throttle, you won't feel that you are riding a scooter. You will feel that you are in a different world. 0.83 bhp makes you feel that you are riding a bike. Though it is at 7000 rpm, though the initial pickup is slow, but in the mid-range and high range it's superb. It pulls the bike like anything. Top speed of this bike has reduced to 100 km per hour, but to this 100 km it's like a jet. Carb weight of the scooter is around 118 kgs, which gives a maximum stability. 14-inch wheelbase, 20/70/14 wheels for both the front and the rear add to the stability, and they're provided with MRF Nilo grip tires, which gives the maximum confidence in the corners. It's a single-cylinder, 3-valve FI engine. It's an air-cooled engine. You can ride the scooter 70 to 80 km per hour all day long, just for its engine displacement, which is around 160cc. I hope for the further upgrade to it to a oil-cooled or a liquid-cooled one. A 30mm telescopic forks for the front and the rear monoshock suspension offers greater stability while doing some off-road, but I would prefer to go for Aprilia Storm for better off-roading. Compression ratio is about 8.8:1 with a maximum power at 7600 rpm. You can go to anywhere, you can take the bike anywhere.
So coming to the instrument cluster, you can see there is a analog type meter there, which is available in both miles per hour and kilometers per hour. And the most important thing, it also has a digital meter which shows the fuel meter and obviously the time. You have to update the time. And one more thing, you have trip 1, you have trip 2, and this is the odometer, this is the engine light, and this is the also have the brake fluid reservoir. Here you have the upper light and the deeper light, and for the passing just you have to press like this. Indicators, which is very nicely done, and you have the horn here, and this is the kill switch. So it's very simple, it's very basic, but the most important thing, you won't feel like that you are traveling in a scooter. You will feel like you are traveling in a bike, which I feel with the Aprilia Acer 160. These mirrors are really very nice, not bad. The thing is that you have to maneuver a little bit like this. You can get a clear view on the back. Lamp has the halogen lamp, so which is a really very backdated, because at this price you could have got the LED lamp on its LED. The position of the indicators, it looks very cool, and on the handle it's like this, so it really looks cool. And thing, if you take out this bike on the road, everyone will have a look at you. See, it doesn't have any rival in India. Only if you think about an Ntorq 125 may come to its speed, but there is a no match between a 125cc engine and a 160cc engine. You can travel whole day long on the scooter without having a brake. To the boot space, it is a different kind. You have to open it like this, and after that, so it's really small. You can't keep your helmet, full size helmet inside. Only the valuables you can keep it inside, and it gives a charger with a USB port, so you can charge your phone on the go. And this is the knob of the petrol. Difficulty which I have experienced with this type of knob, that if you need to know, you need to guide your person who is giving the petrol that not to fill too much, otherwise it will overflow. And moreover, you have the first aid kit here, and nothing much. It's well furnished, but the space is too less, because it only has this kind of stylish one which you can place some plastic or something like that, or any bags. Coming to the wheels, it is around 120/70/14 for both front and the rear. Servicing part, it is most important that you finish your service, your first service at 500 kilometers, and then you get a gap of around 2000 to 3000 kilometers. So the engine oil is used is around 20W40. That anything you can use, but Aprilia recommends Castrol. So I hope you will like it. So it's not a sponsor video, which I have missed out. You can mention in the comment box. And so for this, I was helped by this little boy who was holding the camera till now. So
Thank you.
thank you. I'll tell. You tell welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you. Just please subscribe the channel and don't leave the video without hitting the like button, right?
Yes.
Bye.